Well, now to Frankfurt, where Governor Beshear signed two historic pieces of legislation into law this morning. Senate Bill 47 legalizes medical marijuana for people with certain conditions. It establishes a structure to regulate the medical cannabis program, including dispensaries, cultivators, practitioners, processors, and products, as well as issuing identification cards to patients and caregivers. It also lays out the cannabis business license application process and more requirements there. Senate Bill 47 does not take effect until 2025. Meantime, the governor also signing House Bill 551 into law, which legalizes sports betting in Kentucky. State leaders say sports betting will generate an estimated revenue increase of $23 million a year after full implementation, dedicated to the Kentucky Permanent Pension Fund and 2.5% to the Problem Gambling Assistance Account. It also establishes new excise taxes on sports wagering, on the adjusted gross revenues on wagers made at a licensed facility and wagers placed online or on a smartphone.
Once this bill is implemented, if you or your family if you're on the list of one of the qualifying conditions, cancer, epilepsy, MS, PTSD, and others, you will have a second option. You will not have to rely on opioids.
I want to thank Senator Julie Rocky Adams for her efforts in the Senate. I want to thank the Sports Betting Alliance for all their work on this through the session. And I want to thank the Horse Racing Commission for all their work to help us put together a regulatory structure that I think will protect Kentuckians and make sure we move an industry that has been in the shadows and has existed in Kentucky for many, many years into the light with a regulated and a consumer-protected industry that Kentucky can be very proud of.
After years of heated debate, Kentucky becomes the 38th state to legalize sports betting. That law will take effect in late June.